who say mostly cost no dan who say ebia apartment say a cost. So now no government within these 2 years we identify who says and the man so a customer nema bebree dey a cost. So you want to bring the intelligence to handle that situation. So what I say? Aha. Inti can about security issue. Say NDC they don't have any message. The message is what? Yam sikama unkwala no mundidi ahemfo atem. Because they know they will lose 2024 election. So omu pese omu penyi ni patitro bi awo Ghana. To say otumfo men sortable also for penny. So agenda no almost certain no Kevin Taylor almost certain Kevin Taylor
ana ma main drop sa we wahu guy ya na boyo bonidin Johnny Hughes
Hughes
o say o ma formo ewe kaba this ewe kaba
say I did a 2022 so we'll be a nomination now we'll call you new party executives sir. Then they can choose to change him but right now he has to serve his mandate.
And I don't papa speaker of parliament my friend Sababu
Babe
I need to know you too much, I don't know. But that's a friend come one to my friend.
Privileges committee can call him. I think he's not above that. He's not above that. Yo.
I want to work from now to send out a decent on them. Okay, you get baby can master. So you won't tell it today, yes, a man will I want to one friend. I want to work from
I do a friend. No, I'm not. That's all. That's
so what that was Siabama Yachi, no one to be tuneful. Sanya Benamama. Captain Smart, who said me do what I'm now, and Surani assassin, the Betioka, and Suania assassin, Medichoka, Meditomel. Oh, we are Quasia Penny. We are Quasia Ba. Oh, we are Quasia Penny. Captain Smart. So what to be now, editing another attempt to down in chain. Am I here from you? Where are you, Quasia? Where are about four? Why you buy Jimmy or ban Nansen in the tree? Or bow your bar for one quasiama? I'm a mother fell dada. Captain Smart, you won't quasiama. I'm a mother friend, Nukunuk dada. Dada fall, dada fee, dada Jimmy, dada quasia, Captain Smart. And let me see me do what I'm all. Because the way and a brought in into so. So will be a wolf yang do say. Now, Kagana Sama, would you attend the propaganda? Chimi who check Kevin Taylor. Nanka be cry when you check Kevin Taylor. Ekawo. Oh yeah, Juma when Kanyane. Journalist Chimini, Ghana journalist from Kwasia from Munimo Bonanis, Munimo Po. And Chimi for a bit matem become what war and a match I met Jimmy Kwasia way. Chimo Ghana. And what Jimmy Yamasan. Or journalist and Yamasan. Kwasia bia timi friend Chimini bia timi friend say who Chimini no enti ya fa Chimini mana fam and na mocho na Chimi orofori ye di atem ene ya ene ye be di atem me di atem di amosimi nya atem di me no ma ya me timi jai bani bana na adwaye kwasia mpanyini wo so ya santini na santifo nyimi say wo Captain Smart wo go santifo ni mase Chimini ya santini bia no wachimi sa wo Captain Smart. Chimi fu asantini ya wabeto emu. Ah wo chimi ya ma santifo ya mu ku ase. Asantifo de ketete ya nyaye. Enso de ya wo chimi ye nya papa me na hwe ye na mini papa mini se intimidate watema I don't care because I was sibi antime anka nchem say abrantie say na say bu panyini a ye be ma enso me ma me tete me say wudi atema na ma me bo wudi panyini atema na panyini bi tian but ye nyam panifo bi te say captain smart a mo wo ba wade ne kwate e fa ba wo ba etete ne ba se wo mu ade onu amu ade onu amu wachimifo onu amu akwasea panyini onu amu wachimi enti mu mi ka ne chimi nkyira no na nkurasefo ma ne go onua efem ho edi na chi e ya ne captain wadi wo mu nyina sitire obekom no wadi wo mu nyina antu chimi na no mu chimi di na chi san nkurasefo ma ga na fo afiafi afafo no gu sa onua efem ho no wo mu nim se wo mu ya ma bi on ya hwe ye to ne yafu ne ye to Mama, we address you simple. No one just say no. The nonsense is becoming too much. Nonsense no ha. Kojo upon promote me reply. Ekufaru to me reply. O shadoya will reply. Mo beka se rosin. Ogu MPP ani ma say, "Hey, can you upon to me e reply mo beka se Kennedy mu no." Mimi gina. Me reply man penifobia mo kire Ghana ho. Listen. Me reprama ya mu die youth o tie di atema enka mu na hutu efo but mu timi die betimi se mu timi e betimi ne mu say no your nonsense is becoming too much what kind of friend say the nonsense is becoming too much so we want to reduce your nonsense for you to know say we the youth are learning nonsense to come back for you we are learning your nonsense asia ni teni asere ye ko school ake beka brofo chimi hu ko school brofo na okan wodi chimi ena brofo no kra no enye okasa utwi kasa na yese okasa ma yeti asese wa dwunu mu don wodi chimi wodi twi kasa na chimi captain smart won qualify as Ghana journalist ye do tu kwan e ma ko Ghana adwuma eya musia BBC ade mu fi DSTV kra no mutimi ntia mu sori a je mo hwa ne GTV UTV, TV3, etimu professional work, ewo mufie. Musia professional journalist, ewo Ghana ho. Etimu tiwa amuhwa mo, ewo nua TV, mame koya UTV, mame koya TV3, mame koya say Power TV, ena Chimi Ghana TV station, Chimi, where di we biba, where di we ni we anyam, Chimi na muku Ghana wo Chimi. Etibese mo yankwasiafo journalist yankwasiafo Kwame Adinkramo abaye adwuma asom Ghana mo nya din papa Kwame Adinkra utini di otimi se journalist ne yebo